Class 9 Social Science Periodic Test 1 Question Paper 2021-22. General Instructions. All questions are compulsory. Marks are indicated against each question. Questions from serial number 1 to 8 are objective type questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Questions from serial number 9 to 12 are 3 marks questions. Answer of these questions should not exceed 80 words each. Question number 13 and 14 carries 5 marks. Answer of this question should not exceed 100 words each. Section A. If you intended to visit Kavaratti this vacation, which one of the Union Territory, one of India, you will be going to? Options. A. Puducherry, B. Lakshadweep, C. Andaman and Nicobar, D. Diu and Daman. 2. Which of these books was written by John Locke? Options. A. The Spirit of the Laws, B. Two Treatises on Government, C. The Social Contract, D. All above. 3. The Northern Plains has been formed by the interplay of the 3 major river systems, namely dash. 4. What was the subsistence crisis which occurred frequently in France? Options. A. Subsidy in food grains, B. An extreme situation endangering the basic means of livelihood, C. Large-scale production of food grains, D. None of the above. 5. The soil containing calcareous deposits is locally known as. Options. A. Bangar, B. Kadar, C. Babar, D. Kankar. A triangular slave trade took place between Europe, the America and. Options. A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Australia, D. None of the above. 7. What does the red cap worn by sans-culottes in France symbolize? 8. Assertion. A. Although only the southern part of India lies in tropical region, the whole of India has tropical climate. Reason. R. Himalaya mountain ranges protect it from the northerly cloud winds. Select the correct option from the given alternatives. Options. A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C. Assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. D. Assertion is wrong, but reason is correct. Section B. 9. How did India's contact with the rest of the world contribute in the exchange of ideas and commodities? Explain. Why was 82° 30 minutes east chosen as the standard meridian of India? Explain the reason in the same. 11. How was the French society organized before the Revolution of 1789? 12. Describe the features of the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats in reference to height, slope, continuity, rivers and vegetation. Section C. 13. Who was Robespierre? Describe any 5 efforts made by Maximilien Robespierre to bring equality in French society. 14. Name the major physiographic divisions of India and describe any 3 points of significance of the Himalayas and the Northern Plains each.